See, always what we see in football is there is no particular ladder.
आपल्या PPLचं मेन उद्दिष्ट जे आहे हे प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार करून देणं की प्लेयर्सना इथे येऊन त्यांचं स्किल त्यांचा गेम दाखवायला चान्स मिळतो.
Players come here, they get scouted by talent scouting managers from across various clubs like Mumbai FC, and they get selected into those main teams, and probably from there they reach where they wanted to reach in football. So that was our idea.
Every individual over here is getting a good platform to showcase their talent.
We can see a lot of young footballers are playing for higher level. Rainier was in Parle FC team. Now he is playing for Maharashtra.
Tournament organized in collaboration with Mumbai FC, which gives them a huge opportunity to prove themselves and get selected for the district level.
फुटबॉल एवढं लार्ज स्केलवरती प्रमोट करत आहे. मोठे मोठे लोक येतात आपल्या इकडे बघायला. कव्हरेज पण खूप चांगला मिळतं आहे मुलांना. सो मुलांनी याचा खूप फायदा घ्यावा.
यूथची कुठलीही ॲक्टिव्हिटी असेल ते यूथच करू शकतात. त्या 17-18 वर्षाच्या मुलांनी एक गोष्ट सुरुवात केली आणि त्याचं एवढं मोठं रूप घेत आहे.
Organized by the youth, for the youth.
Their thinking is always different. They think positively and they do better for the youngsters. If youth come forward, it will help the people and the sports.
सर्वदूरपर्यंत महाराष्ट्रातल्या इंटिरियर्सपर्यंत जाऊन जर ही गोष्ट जर पोहोचत असेल तर मला त्याचं अधिक कौतुक वाटतं.
प्रत्येक टीममध्ये 3 पार्लेचे प्लेयर्स असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. त्यामुळे पार्ले प्रीमियर लीग हे जे नाव दिलेलं आहे त्याला न्याय मिळतो.
Players in the championship have come down from Rajkot to play, where the 2 players have come down from Sweden to play the girls' league. We can proudly say that from next year we would expect more players from outside Mumbai and also international players.
VPPL is one platform that MobiFit wanted to get associated with.
The title sponsor this year is MobiFit Body.
MobiFit Body is your personal trainer, always with you to guide you towards the fittest version of you.
So it's a very different app that they've started, which helps you your workout and gives you a good regime and a good physique, and it is with you all the time. This season has been really great. MobiFit, Idea, Gatorade, Maharashtra Times, DNA, Mumbai FC, big names, big companies trusting in youngsters like us to get the league ahead. So, it's like big encouragement for all of us. And, doing the league is really lots of fun with having such great sponsors with us. Started last year, that's 2015. Season 1 had 8 teams. Season 2 has successfully registered 16 teams.
I think football for girls is a growing sport and it's fun to see it kind of become a thing in India.
पहिल्या वर्षी मला आठवते आम्ही हेडगेवार मैदान म्हणून हनुमान रोडला तिकडे आम्ही टुर्नामेंट होती घेतलेली आणि दुसऱ्या वर्षीपासून ह्या मुलांनी जे मार्केटिंग आणि तिथे स्पॉन्सरशिपमध्ये जे काही उडी घेतलेली आहे that is amazing.
Anything which you start always has difficulties, so you need to overcome those difficulties if you want to succeed in life.
The crowd turnout in 2011 was just 100, and now the spectators are just growing and growing in thousands.
Starting a football event, we faced a lot of difficulties. Our participation level was very low initially.
When we started initially the league, the response was initially of 100 to 150 players, and now currently there are more than 1,500 players who have registered for this league.
It's been a good experience. We've had a lot of fun.
An adrenaline rush.
Well-organized football tournament.
जल्लोष.
We need this kind of tournament. You know, PPL is doing good job. Best league in Mumbai.
Phenomenal.
The Vile Parle Premier League is nurturing great talent across Vile Parle and Mumbai, and I wish this tournament all the success.
The main reason why we are doing the league, as I said, other than promoting young talent, is we want people to understand the power of football. The power of football is enormous. It's really huge. I see Vile Parle Premier League helping shape football at a local level, which is much needed in India. If you love football and if you are passionate about football, Vile Parle Premier League is a place to be.
Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.